Hello, ito po si Jingo and ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is kung ano-ano ang mga bagay na dapat pagtuunan ng pansin sa pag-Facebook ads. Una, bago kayo pumasok sa pag-Facebook ads, dapat alam niyo yung mga bagay na dapat nyong i-prepare. Ang mga assets, kung paano ito ihanda pag ginawa nyo na itong Facebook ads. Dahil sa ngayon, napakahigpit po ng Facebook sa mga advertiser. Maski ako, may mga araw na naiisip ko, ang tagal-tagal ko nang nag-Facebook ads, pero ngayon parang lagi kang kinakabahan every time na maglo-launch ka ng ad, natatakot ka baka pagtulog mo, gigising ka, disabled na yung account mo. Talagang isa siya sa mga problema ng mga negosyante, lalong-lalo na po ang mga advertiser. Kasi kung kami ang may hawak ng inyong mga businesses, ang nakasalalay sa amin ang pagpapatuloy nito at ang paghina o pagkawala nito sa social media. So, una sa lahat, ako po personally, hindi ako gumamit ng aking personal account o yung aking profile account na nandun yung aking mga kaibigan at pamilya. Because the trouble with this is, we all know that if Facebook is not favorable to us, it can restrict our pages or our accounts, and worst, it can even delete it. And ayoko mangyari yun sa akin, and ganun din po sa inyo. It happened to me before sa Friendster, kung naalala niyo yung Friendster. Friendster was very popular in the year 2005, 6, 7, mga ganyan. And marami akong in-upload na photos doon, and I have a lot of friends made over that platform, foreign and local. And I remember yung unang-unang trip ko outside the Philippines, in-upload ko lahat yung photos ko doon, and I deleted it right away dun sa aking digital camera. Nung araw, digital camera pa ang mas madalas na ginagamit ko. Konti lang. Kasi mga Nokia pa ang uso noon. Wala pang mga photos sa ating mga phones gaano, okay? Yung mga big time lang, may mga 7610 ba yon na mga phone ang mga kauna-unahang nagkaroon ng colored phones, at yung Ericsson, natatandaan ko yung Ericsson T210, parang ganyan. Anyway, so yun yung dahilan kasi nung nawala yung Friendster, kasama niyang nawala lahat ng memories and photos na mahalaga sa akin. That's why I am suggesting that you create a dummy account in order for you to um, keep in the security corner your personal account. Second, kapag gumawa po kayo ng page, tandaan niyo na ang page ay doon tayo nag-advertise. It's not only created for the purpose of advertising, because Facebook is a community. So, first and foremost, para sa Facebook, ang kanilang priority is the users. So, kung ang user ay pinababayaan ninyo, gumawa kayo ng page, and you already are trying to build a community within that page, tapos pinabayaan nyo yung mga user, mapapansin niya ni Facebook. So, kapag gumawa tayo ng mga page natin, it is a community. Okay? You cannot advertise on Facebook unless you create a page. It's also the channel wherein you can showcase your products to the world. And of course, you are gonna build followers dito sa ating mga page na to, and people will like your page. So, ang pinaka-importante po na tandaan nyo sa pag-build ng page, you need to consider that it is a community. It's a social media where people gather to entertain themselves and to interact with friends, with families, and sometimes these friends and families are living half across the globe. So, Ang gusto ni Facebook when people are using its platform, gusto niya nag-enjoy yung mga tao. Ang gusto ni Facebook is that the users are always having a good user experience. So, kung dahil sa platform na ito ay magkakaroon lamang sila ng stress, Facebook is not gonna like it. Things that you need to know when you create a Facebook page, you need to nurture your followers. Most of the times kasi po, yung mga bagong entrepreneurs, especially yung mga sa e-commerce, ang nangyayari sa kanila, they are going to create a page and then pag nakagawa na sila ng page nila, they're going to create a website. Okay. So, gagawin nila, yung website nila, pagagandahin nila yung logo, pagagandahin nila yung mga landing pages doon, yung mga content noon, yung features, yung banners, etc. etc. Tapos, napapabayaan na po si page. Kapag nagkaganon, Facebook is going to penalize you for neglecting your followers. So, ang dapat po natin gawin is palagi dapat na may engagement sa loob ng ating page. You always need to post on your pages at least 3 times a week. At least. Okay? So, if you can do that within a day, 3 times a day, mas maganda. That's why people are hiring social media managers kasi alam nila ito. So, if you cannot post once a day or 3 times a day, at least 3 times a week, may movement dapat sa ating pages. And also, dapat po engaging na yung mga tao nagsasagutan, nagko-comment, nagla-like, yun po dapat nag-share. And what you didn't know is that your CPM, when you do the proper Facebook advertising, is connected to the page quality. So, if your page quality is good, your page score is good, then you're going to be given low CPM. It's one way for you to lower your CPM kapag engaging yung page. Okay? Ngayon, paano magiging engaging? So, magpo-post po kayo palagi para yung mga tao may nila-like, merong kinokomentan, at merong na-isi-share. Hindi po importante na kailangan ay palaging tungkol sa produkto nyo ang ipopost nyo. Pwede po kayo mag-post ng meme, pwede kayo mag-post ng, alam nyo yung mga inspirational quotes, mga funny videos, mga inspirational videos. Huwag po kayong palaging magpo-post ng tungkol sa business. Paminsan-minsan, sasalitan nyo ng iba. Okay? Kasi pag nakita ni Facebook na puro business, Facebook is going to penalize that page. Pag ang page po natin, so ini-scorean niya ni Facebook. Pag ang score po ng ating Facebook page ay bumagsak sa 2, naging 1 iyan, your page can either be restricted or deleted. At kapag restricted po ang page natin, kahit ano gawin mo, hindi ka pwedeng mag-boost, hindi ka pwedeng mag-advertise, walang movement. Hindi madadagdagan ng likes mo, may mababawas pa dyan, and also, hindi yan makikita sa platform. O nakikita mo yung page mo, pero invisible yan sa iba kasi hindi na yan pinapakita ni Facebook kahit sa followers mo. Dahil pinaparusahan niya. Kailangan tandaan nyo, your scores should not go lower than 2. It cannot reach 1. Otherwise, napakabigat ng problema mo kay Facebook. And boost post is one of the things that you need to consider in order for your page to be engaging. I only use boost post to engage people in my page. Pag nag-boost post po ako ng let's say 100 pesos for 2 days or 200 pesos for 5 days, sa 5 days na yon, kung hindi ko maasikaso na mag-post palagi sa page ko, my page is still moving. There's movement in there and there's an engagement. That's how I use boost post. To help my CPM, my CPL and CTRs and all that, it is to help with the quality rate ranking and engagement rate ranking. Iyon yung mga bagay na ginagamitan ko ng boost post. So, kailangan yung page po natin, huwag niyong kalilimutan, you need to always follow the community standards, hindi lang yung Facebook ad policy. One more thing, kapag ang page po natin ay nire-report, ang page po natin, ang mga ads po natin, at ang mga post natin ay nire-report, isa yan sa dahilan kaya tayo nababan. Isa yan sa dahilan kaya tayo nagkakaroon ng mataas na CPM. At ang isa pa, na tatandaan nyo, if you are not looking after your customers, you don't know this, not many people know that Facebook is trying to reach to your customers and they are getting customer feedbacks. Facebook is doing surveys not only inside Facebook platform. They're doing it in every platform. May makikita kayong mga surveys doon. Ang mga clients niya tanong yan or customers. Ngayon kapag nagbigay sila ng negative feedback, it will reflect on your page. It will reflect on the quality of your ads. You're going to be in really, really bad shape. You need to have happy customers. You need to have happy clients. You need to have a very good engagement. Yung mga nagko-comment ng negative comments like, this is a scam, or you are a rip-off, or mga negative sa Tagalog na nanloloko lang to, nanloloko kayo ng tao, or so on and so forth, they are being scanned by Facebook and they are being reflected on your record too. And if you do not know this, you can ask all the experts that you know, and I assure you this is happening. So, yung mga negative comments, negative reactions, yung mga nag-hide, yung mga nagre-report, they are being reflected on the whole business assets, especially on the ad account history. So, ang apektado doon, ad quality. So, pag nag-ads ka, mataas. So, yan, napakahalaga niyan. So, tatandaan po ninyo yung mga bagay na yan. It's very, very important for you to know what's happening within the page so that you can get a lower CPM, lower cost per result. Your page is engaging. Facebook is going to be very happy with you. Okay? So, it's really important. You have to understand na may mga bagay po tayong dapat na pinagtutuunan maliban sa kagagawa ng Facebook ads. Didn't you notice? Iisa lang naman po ang procedure sa paggawa ng ads. Halos pare-pareho. Lahat kaming advertiser, pare-pareho kami. Basta alam mo yung targeting mo, basta alam mo yung market mo, alam mo yung gagamitin mo mga creatives, copy and image and videos, alam mo na yung objective mo, alam mo yung paggawa ng pixel. They're all mechanicals. They all can be learned. Kasi po, it's like mathematics. Susundin mo lang yung formula, magiging tama yung resulta. But, bakit ganon? Pare-pareho lang naman din yung ginagawa mo, katulad din ng sa iba, pero iba yung impact sa'yo ni Facebook. Because of the things that we didn't know. So, isa ito. We didn't know na ang page pala ay mahalaga, kailangan pala, nagpo-post lagi, kailangan pala yung mga negative reaction, tutuunan natin ng pansin. Kapag may nag-negative comment sa inyo, replyan nyo ng maganda. Otherwise, hide. Do not delete, just hide. Kasi, kapag delete ka ng delete, yung engagement mo babari ng baba. So, pareho yung effect. So, just hide. And if you can manage to comment in a nice way, just comment. Ganun lang talaga. We are business people. We have to cater to these potential clients and customers. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. And this is Jingo. I'll see you next video.
Whoa, oh, oh.